How to make image a star shape in Wix Studio. So in order to do that, head over and click onto the image that you want to actually create a star shape into. So click on that, and then from in there, this menu will appear. Click onto this mask icon that we can see right there. Now this should open in here a shape that you can choose from. So you can just scroll down and choosing here the star option. So as you can see, they have a lot of actual stars or actual shapes that you can choose from. If you want to create a star as well, you can click onto this plus icon in order to create a shape for you. So we have in here some basic shapes. And since we do not have star earlier, just head over and search in here for star. Now it should be able to show us this. Let's choose this particular star and click onto this mask to shape. Now it should be able to actually create an image that is star shaped based on the image that we have earlier. So that's how you make image a star shape in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.